to eat the head.
I'm not eating the head.
You have to. You said you eat all of it.
That's how you get its
It's on the
intelligence.
ground. I honestly cannot recommend that.
You eat the whole thing was on the ground a couple seconds ago.
Why are you watching me?
Why wouldn't we watch you? What's the point if we don't watch you?
Exactly.
I'm seriously.
My stomach hurts. You know, I pride myself on being able to eat gross things, but I don't think I could do that. I really don't. This is gonna be a YouTube class.
Is she really still taking video of this?
No.
No. Bravo. Until she throws up. Back away. Back away.
Oh.
I told you I need the drink. You asshole! Go give me a Pepsi.